Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Skrill to Wise in 2025. Skrill doesn't directly support sending to Wise, so you will need a bank account or third-party method as a bridge. Let's get into it. Open Skrill account, click withdraw and select your linked bank account. Enter the amount and confirm. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Once the money reaches your bank, log into Wise and either let Wise pull funds from your account or manually transfer the money into your Wise balance. Some people use crypto like USDT or trusted peer services, but only do this if you understand the risks. Scams are common. Watch out for withdrawal fees from Skrill and currency conversion fees. Wise is cheaper for FX, so withdraw in your local currency if possible. And that's it. Your money is now in Wise. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.